You can volcano board down an active volcano's ash slopes in the Philippines. Imagine racing down the side of Mount Mayon, one of the world's most active volcanoes, on a specially designed board, feeling the rush of adrenaline as you navigate the ashy terrain. This extreme sport offers a one-of-a-kind experience that combines adventure and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Volcanic boarding is not just for thrill seekers, it's a unique way to connect with nature's raw power and witness the awe-inspiring beauty of the Philippines' volcanic scenery. Would you dare to ride the slopes of an active volcano?